Alright, there are a couple of tools that I use often on the Mac, and I want to share with you what I use so you can become more productive on the Mac. The first one is called Caffeine. This app prevents the computer from going to sleep. If you're running a job that requires some time, for example, you're training a machine learning model that takes 30 minutes, you probably don't want the system to go to sleep and interrupt the training process. To download Caffeine, simply go to Google and search for Caffeine Mac app, and then go to the first page and download the DMG file to install it. After that, you will see a Caffeine logo on the top right of your computer. It allows you to configure the app so that it will automatically start when you can turn on your Mac.